What's going on, traders? Kevin here. So many people wonder how paradigm trading came to be about. In 2022, I quit my job at a New York hedge fund working as a proprietary trader. My partners and I decided to start this community, the goal to bring cutting-edge tools to retail traders that were once only available to large financial institutions. And now with the advancement of AI, we are now better able to analyze data, probability, and statistics to give an advantage to all of the members in our community. We have now helped hundreds of members become profitable traders, not only getting funded on prop firms, but also becoming successful traders on their own accounts. We also go live and take manual trades with the other members, and let me show you a trade that we took from this past Friday. Another blizzard is headed to New York, so I will be leaving this morning. Hopefully I'll be able to bring you some more content when I reach a warmer destination.
All right, so here was the trade that we took with our community on Friday. So besides trading on my prop firm accounts, I do take manual trades on my personal account as well. Not a lot, but when I see an opportunity, I will take the trade. As long as I know that there's a high probability of a winning trade, I will also take some manual trades on my personal account. So these are the trades that we actually took on Friday. I ended up entering the buy position on gold at around 5,040. So we called it out in our group chat as well. So people are from all over the world. So a few people missed it when we went live, but we did go live with our community. And then yesterday on the weekend, I did send out a message. Happy weekend. It was nice to go live with everyone on Friday. Hope you guys caught this. Personally, I'm going to be holding this trade longer. I believe that it will break above this zone right here, but you guys can decide what to do on Monday. We'll be monitoring and closing some profits, or I will let it run more. Also, I will be flying out tomorrow, so may not be answer messages in the air. There's a blizzard coming to New York, so I will be going somewhere warmer and getting out of this cold. The first confirmation that we were looking for is for gold to break above the 5,000 level. Once gold broke above the 5,000 level, we were monitoring this zone very carefully right here. So we didn't want to get into the trade right away because gold ended up breaking 5,000 at this point right here as well. We were only looking for buy positions. And then the second confirmation that we had was the geopolitics. And usually when there's geopolitics, especially with war, oil prices are going to spike, and so does precious metals. So I knew that with the possible war looming in the future, I knew that gold was going to spike. There was absolutely no way that I was going to be selling gold. Everything was going to be a buy. I just needed to make sure that the confirmation was there. Obviously, war is never a good thing, but there's so much news going on. So let's see how this plays out in the next week. But with this confirmation, the scenario of a likely war, I figured that it was time to get in a trade on a buy on gold. So this was one of the main reasons that I was looking for a buy setup on gold. This was around New York. Actually hit this point, and you can see on this candle, it actually ended up going all the way down. It went all the way down back to 4,900 before having a strong pullback on this hourly candle. And once it pulled back, I knew that that was my third confirmation to enter the trade, and I knew that we were going to break this previous high. So the first was that it broke above 5,000. The second one is all about the geopolitics happening in the world. This final confirmation on the hourly candle gave me more than enough confidence to go live with the members in our community, and we were successfully able to hit this trade. Right now, you can see that we are exactly at that previous high of 5,100. Maybe I'll close some of the positions to lock in some profits. Maybe I'll close about 3 positions or 4 positions so that I am risk-free. However, I do believe that gold is still going to push up next week, just based on the uncertainty happening around the world right now. So because of this reason alone, unless the Trump administration on Monday says they have reached the deal, I believe that I will be letting some positions run so that I can maximize profits. Said on my personal account, I don't take a lot of trades. I may take a trade once a month. I only place trades whenever I have multiple confirmation and I know that I have a very high probability of winning the trade. You can see even on my MT5, it is exactly the same. I got into positions at around 5,038, 5,039. These are the same exact positions. Even though I may not take a trade every single day, maybe even once a month, you can see the profits that it's made so far, $150,000 in just one single trading day, which is a year's salary for some. I was able to scale this account slowly. If I do hear any kind of news that there is a peace treaty then I will immediately be closing the trades. Just to give an update on our prop firm automation accounts, you can see that our prop firm automation accounts have now grown to 150%. We also have other services. You guys can check out all of our previous videos about our US 30 quantum trading bot, our FX Goliath bot, and our gold trading bot as well. Let me just share with you on one of the members. So far in the month of February, he has collected over $40,000 from 3 different prop firms. He has slowly scaled his prop firm accounts back since July. He is now funded with over $1 million in prop firm capital, over 5 different prop firms. Make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. You guys can check out all of the previous videos. We make weekly update videos for all of our EAs and our account management. And if you would like to learn more, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your trading journey.